Hey friends, are you ready for the most exciting day at school ever? We'll learn, play, and sing together. Grab your backpack, let's go!
The sun is shining. The birds are singing. And our school day begins with happy hellos.
Let's take our seats and open our books. Today we'll start with reading and writing fun.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Can you clap each time we say a number?
Pick up your paintbrush and let's make the brightest rainbow you've ever seen. Time to eat! Let's sing the lunch song. Yum yum, lunch is fun! Run, jump, and swing high. Let's have some playground fun.
Look at the bubbles in our experiment. Science is so cool.
The school bell rings and we say goodbye. What a wonderful day.
The school bus is here. Let's hop on and wave to our friends as we ride home.
At home, we open our books and remember all the fun things we learned today.
Now it's story time before bed. Let's dream about tomorrow's adventures.
Good night, little learner. Tomorrow is another wonderful day to learn and play. Wow! What an amazing day at school! We learned, played, and made so many memories. See you next time for more fun adventures. Bye-bye, friends!